Hi there, it's Tirdibiak. Hey, I just want to share this video with you. This is a fascinating look of how to turn cattle dung, urine, and water into methane gas in rural Africa. My good friend Daniel explains this whole process, how he built his system, and not only that, you'll be surprised to learn that how much he can create and how long it lasts. All right, on with the video.
Our cows are being kept there, grazed there. Behind them there is a slope. So their dung and urine is collected and brought here, mixed with water to get the methane for cooking and for lights. Down here we are on top of a big container which is about 16 feet below, a dome which is built. The pipe, you see, there is a pipe there. That pipe has gone 12 feet below. Yeah, where Robin is, you can see the pipe. The pipe is from there, where...
It's right in the...
Yeah. That pipe have gone 12 feet below. This is the center of the dome. Here is the center of the dome, fixed with an elbow, pipe and an elbow. Pipes have been connected to the bedroom, kitchen, wherever you want to send your gas. So the first building, it is a circle, 16 feet below, built like a dome. When it was 3 feet below, 3 feet high, you lay that pipe of 12 feet. That will be the inlet of the dung, urine, and water. Construction is coming closer because you are building a dome. When it was about between 8 and 9 feet from the bottom, you lay another pipe which will be the outlet to the chamber. A pipe like that one. Then you complete a dome. At the center of the dome, fix a pipe with an elbow and connect the pipes. This will be where the gas is being released. Finish the construction with the whatever, wire mesh and so on, let it be. Later, fill the whole container with the mixture of cattle dung, cattle urine and water with the ratio of 1, 2, and 4. 1 bucket of urine, you will need 2 buckets of cattle dung and 4 buckets of water. The 10 cubic meters container will be filled with 3,000 liters of that mixture. Leave it for 2 weeks to ferment. In the period of 2 weeks, it will start to ferment. Automatically, it will produce gas which comes on top. The gas will be trying to get the room, so the process will be that gas will be squeezing down the dung which is weak, which is out of gas, through the outlet pipe to the chamber. As much gas is being produced, the chamber will get full and later it flows itself. You don't need to clean it. It cleanses itself as always you eat. What was eaten yesterday, you will go to the toilet. You empty yourself. What you drink, you go to urine. So as much gas is being produced there, this gets full and later it flows. You don't need to go and buy chemical. What makes smell is the gas, not the dung. This is just cattle dung, yeah? And you have got lots of cows there in your state. You see?
Mm-hmm. Why wouldn't we do this? Right.
You see?
Doesn't smell at all.
No smell.
Nothing.
Because the gas has been stored there.
Wow.
Yeah?
There's just nothing.
So later you don't need to cut wood for cooking, firewood. The environment will be safe. Mm-hmm. You don't need to pay gas bills. You have got your own gas. You don't go and buy chemical fertilizers. You have got your manure. It's simple in the rural areas to get. So after the first, when it was full, first day, when it was 3,000 liters of, this is 16 cubic meters. 10 cubic meters, 3,000 liters. Leave it. It ferments in a period of 2 weeks and later flows itself for 2 days. Later, it will stop flowing. That is the sign which tells you now there is lots of gas needs to be consumed.
It's time to
You
read.
release the valve there, the gas will be coming for the first time with high pressure, but it doesn't burn. Why it doesn't burn? Because the proportion between the carbon dioxide and oxygen is not yet balanced. After in half an hour, 1 hour, later it starts burn. Later it's just like a lighter. You get gas for cooking and for lights. Don't add anything for the first 3 months. What was down there is sufficient. 3 months have passed. What you will be getting from 3 to 5 cows is sufficient for day and night to feed for the family of 8 to 10 people.
Wow.
You don't need, you add what you get from 3 to 5 cows, that is sufficient for cooking and for lights. Let's go in. Ask me questions, then we are going to see it, and then we go for lunch. I sometimes joke and say these are methane generators. Behind there is a slope. So the urine is collected there and the dung and set there where it is being mixed.
Oh, it's okay. I'm sorry.
Yeah. So you can see now
Yeah.
I'm connected with the electricity. This is electricity
That's crazy.
and this is solar. Before this, I was using the gas from the kettle dung, urine and water through the pipes to here. You just put the metal like a pressure.
Like a pressure
Yeah,
cooker or
yeah. Carbide.
Carbide, yeah.
They use them in the campsites. You put the lentil metal there.
A mental, yeah.
You put the red button on for lights.
Okay.
Now I'm connected with the electricity and solar. I don't need that for lights.
Yeah.
But I need the same gas besides lights. We were using it for lights and for cooking in here, but we still need it for cooking. It has come through, this is the plastic. There is a iron or what do you call it, iron pipe. This is it. So you can use iron or plastic, it doesn't matter. So it's on. You wanna cook, put your stove on. You can see the pressure.
And it's just clean energy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Simple technology in the rural areas,
That's-
how to get gas for cooking and for lights.
Do many people do this?
Yeah, even the government is trying to motivate the people. If you have got cows, don't just whatever, do like this, but some people say that, there is electricity, why should I do like that, or it's like that. So, now our activity is over. Thank you very much.
Thank you
Yeah.
very much.